10 Psychological Strategies for Instantly Gaining Respect. Have you ever wished that someone would pay you the respect you merit? You wanted them to hear you out rather than just talk over you, right? Have I not? Everyone, regardless of their position in life, desires to be treated with respect. We shouldn't have to insist that other people recognize and value us. Fortunately, there are methods you may use to earn people's respect without exerting undue effort. The following manipulations of the mind will instantly elevate your status and get you the respect you deserve. Number 1. Put your best foot forward. First impressions are often the most memorable ones. Because of this, you should always be conscious of your actions and the impression you provide. Even if how you seem has a significant impact on people's impressions of you, this is not the only one. Your attitude, demeanor, and physical appearance all play a role in how others see you. What you look like is what others will remember about you. Showing your best self is essential if you want to be taken seriously. Number 2, it's important to read nonverbal cues. Communication with others can be greatly enhanced through the use of body language. It can help you feel more confident in professional situations, boost your self-esteem, and perhaps get you the job you want. The key to commanding respect from others is to read their nonverbal clues and mirror those behaviors in your own body language. Signaling self-assurance and openness with good posture, direct eye contact, and an approachable attitude is a no-brainer. It's also wise to observe the actions of those around you during chats, since their body language may reveal whether or not they approve of what you're saying. Number 3, be assured in your statements. You need to learn to speak with confidence if you want to be heard and respected. People will immediately pick up on your nervousness and insecurity. Avoiding this outcome can be facilitated by being forthright about your goals from the get-go. Maintain confidence and clarity in your delivery. Make sure you're not mumbling or talking too quickly. It gives the impression that you have anything to conceal. The use of a like, you know, and really should be minimized. They give the impression that you lack confidence. Backing up your thoughts with evidence and personal experience is also helpful. Number 4, encourage others by making them feel valued. How you treat others is one of the most powerful ways to earn their respect. It's not enough to simply be nice to others, you also have to give them a sense of worth. This can be accomplished by genuine praise, consideration for their interests and abilities, recognition of their contributions, and credit for their ideas and efforts. Giving individuals your whole focus and acknowledging their contributions can help you form stronger bonds with them and the people around you. Number 5, recognize the proper timing for speaking and silencing. It's not enough to know how to communicate. You also need to know when to talk and when to stop talking when it comes to creating rapport with others. Reduce your talking time and increase your listening time if you want to be taken seriously. Even though it's obvious, many people still don't follow it. Just chill out and let them finish talking. You should wait for them to finish talking before you jump in, as this will keep the dialogue from getting halted. What if they interrupt you in the middle of a sentence? Just put on a pleasant face and act like nothing happened. Number 6, create an aura of intrigue around your person. Gaining respect does not come from needing to be the center of attention or from making boastful statements. Neither is it something you can gain by broadcasting your failures and woes to the world. Respect cannot be earned by someone who is constantly seeking it out. Instead, work on creating an aura of intrigue around who you are. Give people a taste of your life so they're eager about more details. If people have the impression that there's more to you than they're getting, they'll be curious to learn more about you. Number 7, be dependable and trustworthy. Dependability and dependability earn respect from others. Individuals who are honest and trustworthy are held in high regard. You need to be a good person in order to be respected. This means that you follow through on promises and assist others when asked. This includes acting ethically and doing the right thing even when no one is looking. Number 8, being a doormat is not a good look. Sometimes being agreeable and flexible is the most effective strategy for avoiding conflict or achieving one's goals. However, one should not equate kindness with weakness. A pushover is someone who allows others to take advantage of them because they have little self-respect. They let others take advantage of their good nature. If you want to be respected by the people in your life, whether at home or at work, you must maintain your high moral ground. Show some backbone and defend your rights. Number 9, keep your cool. Even if you've heard this 1,000 times before, let me say it again. What occurs to you isn't always in your hands, but how you react to it is. Having emotional self-control does not entail being emotionless or robotic, rather, it means learning to master your feelings rather than letting them rule your behavior. It's best not to show your emotions of anger or embarrassment to other people. People will appreciate you more for your strength and stability if they see you can keep your cool under duress. Number 10, own up to your mistakes and results. Excuses are simple to manufacture, and you can always come up with a justification for why your plans failed to materialize. But if you value respect, you should never offer explanations or place responsibility on anyone other than yourself. Responsibility is the acceptance of personal accountability for one's actions and the results of one's choices. People have a lot of respect for individuals who are humble enough to admit they were wrong, provide an authentic apology, take responsibility for their actions, and work to improve for the future. When it comes to both personal and professional interactions, respect is vital. People are more receptive to your ideas, your viewpoint, and your requests for assistance if they respect you. To be respected, one must be deserving of respect. In other words, if you want someone to treat you with respect, you must show that you deserve that respect by the way you treat them. Respecting others earns one's own respect in return. It's not even worth your time if they don't. We'd like it if you'd want to see more videos like this one, so if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and spread the word. If you liked this video, make sure to subscribe for more and activate the bell to receive notifications whenever new videos are uploaded. In addition, please view our other videos. Your attention is greatly appreciated.